Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a wrapping paper makeup tutorial. First I'm going in with a white eyeliner from LA Colors to make the lines of the ripped paper, but you can go in with any white eyeliner pencil. Now to thicken these lines, I'm using the Mehron Cream Stick in the shade white using a flat brush from Morphe. Don't worry, these lines don't have to be clean, just a little bit angular to create the illusion of the ripped paper. Now I'm going in with a translucent or white setting powder to the cream makeup so nothing smears. You're going to brush away any excess powder. Using the same flat brush from Morphe, I'm going in with the Mehron Cream Stick in the shade red. I like to do this part in sections, that way before you blend everything will be even. Now I'm going in with a blending sponge. It's okay if you get a little bit on the white because that can be cleaned up later. Just make sure everything is blended out evenly and smoothly. Now using any translucent setting powder to make sure everything is set and doesn't smear. Now I'm going in with the Mehron Cream Stick in the shade white using the Sketch Artist brush from Makeup of Murder to create the snowflakes. I started to map out the dots using the end of a eyeliner pencil to create the circles and then just filling it in with the Mehron Cream Stick in the shade white again. Now going in using the Sketch Artist brush from Makeup of Murder to create the lines for the snowflakes. I connected the snowflake to my eyeliner, but I decided to change this later on because I didn't like how it ended up looking. Now I'm going back in with the same setting powder so nothing smears. Make sure to wipe off any excess. Now I'm outlining the red and white with the Mehron Cream Stick in the shade black using the Sketch Artist brush from Makeup of Murder. Now I'm using a brush to blend the black into the red to make a shadow to create the illusion of the ripped wrapping paper. Now using a liquid eyeliner of your choice, create a wing. Now I'm going over the white snowflakes with the white liquid eyeliner to make the snowflakes pop more. Now I'm thickening the line on the other side with the white Mehron Cream Stick using the angled brush from Morphe. Now fill in the space with the red Morphe Cream Stick. Make sure to spread it evenly before you blend. Now once again I'm going over with the setting powder so nothing smears. Now I'm mapping out the dots for the snowflakes so they are even with the other side. Now I'm going in with the white Mehron Cream Stick using the Sketch Artist brush from Makeup of Murder to create the snowflakes. Now outline the white and the red with the black Morphe cream stick using the Sketch Artist brush from Makeup of Murder, and then blend out to create the shadow. After this step, make sure you go in with a translucent powder to make sure everything is set and doesn't blend, and then go back over the snowflakes with the white liquid eyeliner to make them pop more. Go in with any eyeliner pencil to fill in your eyebrows. Now using the Morphe flat brush, go in with the concealer to carve out your eyebrows. Now using a blending sponge to blend out your foundation and your concealer, try to make sure nothing gets on the white, but it will be fixed later if it does. Now going in with your translucent setting powder to make sure your foundation is set and doesn't smear. I'm contouring my nose with the KVD Shade and Light palette along with a KVD brush. Now go in with the KVD powdered concealer to make sure that nose contour is snatched. I'm just going in with any concealer to highlight the tip of my nose. I'm going in with the lipstick in the shade Devils from KVD Beauty. And I'm going over that with a red shade from NYX Cosmetics. Now using your liquid eyeliner, create a wing. Now I'm going over the white with the Mehron cream stick in the shade White with the same angled brush from Morphe Cosmetics. Here I am just repeating this on the other side as well. Now going in with the black cream stick using the Sketch Artist brush to outline this white. You're going to repeat this again on the other side as well. Now go in with any white eyeliner pencil. I'm using the one specifically from LA Cosmetics. And for the headpiece, I just used a Christmas wrapping bow. And here I am going in with my eyelash glue. I'm going to let that sit for a minute before I apply them. After putting on your false lashes, make sure to blend your real lashes in with some mascara. And here I'm just using the black mini Scalara contacts from Ivos. And for the top, I just used Christmas stuffing paper to create the look of a present. Thank you guys for watching. This is the finished look. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look.